What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we are looking at the American EQ35 wireless earbuds by Back Bay. Now, these are IPX5 water resistant, which is going to be good against rain and sweat, so you're not going to have to worry about that when you're working out or you're running in the rain or something like that. Plus, it has an 8-hour battery life on it, which is pretty good. It's going to last you the majority of the day. It also has a 180-hour standby time. Now, what makes these kind of unique is that it actually has a 5 equalizer sound mode built into it. One, which is the classic American hi-fi sound, strong bass, natural vocals, and crisp highs. 2, Atlanta bass, booming bass that will take any rap or EDM track to the next level. 3, stadium rock, tighter and punchier. This setting captures the great 80s concert sound. 4, pure podcast, loud and clear vocals with all the boomy and harsh noise stripped out. That's cool. And number 5, clean, classical, open and airy clarity with a rich, full tone. That sounds pretty good. Let's check it out. Now, these do have a microphone built into it. All right, so we got a pretty standard little bag. Okay, so we've got a total of 7 ear cups. You got 6 extras. I like the yellow, that's pretty cool. And then you've got 2 different sizes for these little ear wings for extra stability. Then you got a couple cable management clips, and then you have one of these little cable organizer thingies. Those thingies, the thingy right there. Cable adjuster, that's what it is, cable adjuster. I knew that. Okay, so we do have a 1-year warranty. Don't worry, we've got your back. To receive your 1-year warranty, just register your headphones. Nice. Then we have about a 1.5 foot long USB to micro USB cable for charging. And then we have the earbuds. All right. Oh, and they're magnetic, so that's cool. Pretty standard. I like the matte black, but I really like the yellow accent that they decided to go with this. You have an inline control. You've got your up and down volume, previous and next track, your play and pause, multifunction button. You got a little LED light right there. You got your microphone on the back. Then right here, you have your micro USB port for charging. You got the ergonomic curve, which is always a plus. Ooh, okay. Wow, that's a good seal. They do kind of stick out just a little bit, but they are pretty light. Good, pass shake test, first try, not bad. All right, so the play button, we're gonna double press that to switch the sound mode. Starting off, it should be on the Black Bay signature. I just thought of something. I have no idea what version of Bluetooth this is. There we go. So it's Bluetooth 4.1. So they're advertising on the box. On the box it says 8 hours. On the Amazon page it says 8 hours, but in the pamphlet it says 6.5. So I don't know. Number 1 is pretty good. I'm gonna switch it to number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Let me try a different song. So I'm actually cycling through the modes as I'm listening to the song, and to be honest, I'm not noticing really any difference. You double press it and it's supposed to switch the mode. There's no indicator of what mode you're on. It just kind of beeps to let you know that you changed it. I would think going from 1 to 2 would be a pretty significant difference. I'm not really noticing any kind of increase in bass. It does sound good all around. I mean, it's a well equalized pair of earbuds, but I'm not noticing any kind of real difference with the mode, so I don't know. Let's go with some vocals. I'm gonna go to Good Mythical. Okay, so it sounds really good. Vocals are clear. I'm not seeing any kind of latency, but again, I'm not noticing anything with the modes. All right, I'm gonna check the distance. Should get about 30 feet. I actually got about 35 feet before it started skipping, so that's pretty good. All right, let's make a phone call. Hello? Hey, what's up, girl? Let me have it. Give it to me. Really? Oh, okay, cool. Okay, well, I am now done with you then. Thank you for your assistance. Okay, cool. She said it actually sounded really clear. She said that it sounded like I was just talking on the phone, so good microphone. I think the sound is really good. It's a well equalized pair of earbuds. They're definitely $30 worth for sure, especially if you're going for sports. I see nothing wrong with these. They've got a ton of options for earbuds and different hooks. I wouldn't put my money on the modes though. Testing it out on different songs and then testing it out on, like a show, I'm not seeing any difference whatsoever. If there is a difference, it's so slight that I can't even tell that it's even happening. But nonetheless, they're actually a pretty nice pair of earbuds. Overall, they're very ergonomically comfortable. They are lightweight. They do stick out a little bit, but if that's not a big deal for you, they're not cumbersome at all. They are very comfortable. I could definitely see working out with a pair of these. I like how the controls are there's only 3 buttons and they protrude out, so they're real easy to reach up and just change it or pause or play. And on top of that, the microphone's good. So overall, not bad at all. I think they're worth 30 bucks. Again, the mode though, we'll scratch it. Gotta go back to the drawing board on that one, I think. All right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.